How to make turkey meatballs over zucchini noodles. Ingredients: 1 pound ground turkey, 1/4 c seasoned dry breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons chopped fresh flat leaf parsley, 1½ ounces Parmesan cheese, grated, about 1/3 c, plus more for serving, 2 garlic cloves, chopped, divided, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided, 1 25-ounce jar marinara sauce, 4 medium zucchini, cut into noodles with a spiralizer or julienne peeler, 4 ounces Provolone cheese, grated, about 1 c. Directions: combine turkey, breadcrumbs, egg, parsley, Parmesan, 1 garlic clove, and a half teaspoon each salt and pepper in a bowl. Form into 12, 1½ to 2, meatballs. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add meatballs and cook, turning occasionally, until brown on all sides, 4 to 6 minutes. Reduce heat to medium-low and gently stir in marinara. Simmer, turning meatballs occasionally, until meatballs are cooked through and sauce is thickened, 14 to 16 minutes. Meanwhile, heat remaining tablespoon oil in a medium skillet over medium-high heat. Add zucchini and remaining garlic and cook until just tender and heated through, 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Heat broiler to high with rack in the topped position. Sprinkle provolone over meatballs. Broil until cheese is golden brown, 3 to 4 minutes. Serve meatballs over noodles topped with Parmesan.